In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to view competitor Google Ads for free. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to search, and what to pay attention to, so you can learn from what others are doing without spending a cent. We're going to use the Google Ads Transparency Center. This is an official hub created by Google to show the ads that verified advertisers are running across Google's platforms. It exists to make advertising more transparent, and it's incredibly useful for marketers, business owners, and creators who want to understand the landscape without guessing. First, open your browser and go to the Google Ads Transparency Center. If you're not sure of the exact URL, simply search for the term and choose the official Google link. You'll know you're in the right place when you see a simple search interface that lets you look up advertisers and explore their ads. Make sure you're on a legitimate Google domain before you proceed. Next, type your competitor's domain name into the search bar. Use the base domain without extra pages or tracking parameters. If the brand uses multiple domains, start with the main website they promote publicly. You can also set your country or region so the results reflect the markets you care about most, which is helpful if you operate locally or want to see how they appear in different locations. Once you run the search, the site will reveal the ads associated with that business. You'll typically see creative variations, ad copy, formats like search, YouTube, or display, and the dates that the ads were shown. You can often filter by country and time range to narrow your view. This is where the insights come alive. Look at how they position their offers, the headlines they repeat, the visuals they test, and the calls to action they lean on. Pay attention to when campaigns start and stop, which can hint at seasonality, product launches, or promotional cycles. You may also notice where they're active geographically, giving you a sense of where they focus their budget and attention. Remember, this isn't about copying, it's about observing patterns and learning. Ask yourself what themes are consistent, what problems they claim to solve, and how they differentiate. Use that knowledge to refine your own messaging, test new creative angles, and identify gaps you can fill. Keep notes, take screenshots for reference, and revisit the tool regularly to track changes over time. With a few minutes of research, you can turn public information into practical ideas that make your advertising smarter and more strategic.